Have you been excited for that job opportunity that you've just seen online just to realize after you press the apply button there's a long online job application waiting for you to fill? Well, this is the trend nowadays. What I advise you is to take your time filling these job applications because you want to provide quality answers and to get shortlisted. How we can do that? Imagine yourself you're talking to the recruiter face to face when you are providing these answers. Make sure they are customized and relevant to the position scope. Make sure they are relevant to your experience, skill set, and knowledge which are in line with the position scope. Code the keywords that are used in the job description. You want to make sure that you pass the system filtration stage and that a real person will be reading your job application. In some instances, some online job applications provide a feature where you can export your resume and extract information from it. Make sure after that extraction of information happen that you revise the formatting of the information extracted and you actually rephrase some of these information just to make sure they are in the right context and relevant and they are presented in a proper way. In case you were interested in several vacancies in the same organization, so for the same employer, and you're really interested in applying to a couple of them, make sure you're applying to the same function in one organization. What do I mean by that? So, if you are actually qualified to work as a supply chain manager and also as an operations manager based on your previous experience, and that organization have opened both vacancies. So you need here to make a decision of whether you are going to apply for both or you will apply to one of them. Firstly, if you decided to apply to both, you would need to make sure your job application for every vacancy is fitting and suit the requirements of every job. You cannot provide the same job application for both. You would need to put that effort to make every job application relevant and customized to the vacancies you're applying for. One of the reasons is that you want to increase your chances of bypassing the system filtration stage and a real person to read your application. And the other thing is that you want to show the recruiters and the hiring managers that you've put that effort to show your relevant experience for every position. Now, sometimes some employers, when they see a candidate applying to various vacancies in their organization, they might get the indication that that person really doesn't know what they want and to what direction they are going to. So make sure when you're applying to several vacancies in the same organization that they are in line within the same function, so you would appear that you are a person knowing what you're doing and that you have a specific direction in your career, which is that specific function you're applying for.